Alright, so here I am at 30th Street Station. And we are heading on our way to go to Boston. Here we are at the Orthodontics of Cambridge. Hi, Katya.
Welcome back.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, there's Dr. Murthy.
How are you doing, Justin? Welcome.
Doing good.
I need to see your tan line.
Oh, my tan line? No tan line.
No tan line.
No. How you doing?
Good. How about you?
So this is the beautiful place, Orthodontics of Cambridge here.
Awesome.
I'm excited to get my lower braces on today.
Yes, let's get them on.
Who's our little friend over here?
This is just a little doggy with the braces on.
Oh my gosh, there's a dog with braces. His teeth look absolutely amazing. Oh, is this is his toothbrush?
Yes, that's
So
right.
he uses it every day, right?
That's correct.
Wow. Does the dog have a name or?
Not actually. We like to have the patients here naming them whatever they want to call it, especially the kids.
Ah, okay. Let's
Yeah.
call him Ortho for today.
Perfect. So this is Ortho.
Ortho?
Everyone, yes. Look at his braces. He looks amazing, right?
Right. Murthy here.
William Murthy, nice to meet you. How is everyone doing? It's a beautiful day. Pleasure to work with Justin because he wants to be here, and that's what makes the whole treatment different. If my teammate wants to come see me and wants to have a beautiful, healthy smile, it makes the journey even more amazing, and the results are going to be even more fantastic. Safety glasses always.
These look good. Yeah, these are good.
So today, can you smile, Justin? So Justin has been in upper braces for about a few months now. And what I do is I put on the upper braces to line up the upper braces first. And then once we are ready with the upper, we start with the lower because the upper teeth are stuck to the upper jaw. So we kind of create a template of the upper teeth. Then we match the lower teeth that moves around to the upper teeth. It might cost maybe 1 or 2 or 3 more months, but the long-term results of setting up the top teeth and moving on to the lower teeth afterwards, it's a night and day difference. Even though the teeth are clean, we just polish the teeth to get a clean surface of the tooth to put the bonding material. Okay, open for me, just relax your lips. And we just put this is called a cheek retractor. What it does, it kind of keeps the teeth dry, but also helps, Justin keep his mouth open. That's it. Okay. And now what we do is we use the suction. Justin, may I have your right hand? Just hold on to this right here. And, no, just hold it on right here. Perfect. And open it tiny bit for me. Good. Good, bite down. Good. Let me have your left hand. You just hold on to it. Just gently push it back. That's it. That's it. Now we're ready to go. So now it's a little different. Okay, your lips are going to feel a little different, but transition will be much easier because you're already used to the top.
Right.
And the bottom one may be a little more discomfort because the bone is a little harder. So when you chew, it's a little bit more like vibration, so to speak.
Okay.
Whereas the upper jawbone, it's a little bit more softer. So when you chew, there's more giving, but on the bottom, there's no giving. So when you chew on something, it will feel a little extra harder.
Okay.
But 5 to 7 days later, you'll be good to go.
All right,
Okay?
sounds good.
Open for me. So this is white. Open for me. I'm just going to take. So what we use this little called a probe to go around the bracket to remove the, what we call this, the elastic O ties. This goes around the brace to hold the wire in. See, that's the wire, and you put it in there, and what it does is it holds the wire to the brace. That's the little circle. I'm going to show you how I put it on. So this is the little instrument. We use something called a map-out. It goes around the tooth. So I put this clear around the bracket, and I'm going to put gray for Justin to see which one he would prefer. Open for me. Hey Justin, here's a mirror for you. And remember, you're not this close, so you should try to...
Other way. I think I still like the white or the clear.
Okay, you tell me which one you want.
I think I'll do white.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, we'll do the white.
White.
As you can see, the tooth is behind. So if I put a wire in, the tooth has nowhere to go. So I put this little, like a spring coil between the teeth. And what I do is I compress it a tiny bit. When you do, it pushes the teeth apart so I can move this tooth forward. It's going to take weeks or months. It's not going to happen overnight. Everything is in, and I just noticed that this tooth also is a little crowded, so I have to undo this and put the coil in. I'm going to do that real quick. I like to use 4-ounce elastics. It's about 1/4 of a diameter, 1/4 millimeter, 1/4 of an inch diameter. So why are we doing elastics right now? Bite down for me. Because Justin has an open bite pattern. So if we don't start the elastics, his open bite is going to get even bigger. If we wear the elastics holds all the teeth together, and the teeth kind of gently spread sideways, and then they fit underneath the top teeth. So it's basically each brace has a hook starting from the canine. See, there's a hook. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So basically we're going to just start off connecting the dots. First hook on the top, first hook on the bottom to the second. So basically I just call it 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. That's it.
Got it.
And then it's the same on the other side. So 1, 1, 2. Bite down for me. Okay. So you're going to be a little sore because you have the brackets and the elastics, but you'll be good to go.
Sounds good.
Okay, so that's our visit for today.
All right, my first ever bands.
Yes, first starting elastics. And the elastics will continue to stay until the braces come off.
All right.
And most people don't realize, they think the braces and the wires does everything. But the braces and the wires just lines up the top and the bottom. What brings them together like a mesh are the workings of the elastics.
Got it.
Okay. Awesome, Justin. It's always a pleasure to see you.
All right, so here's the update. I got my bottom braces on. I got my first rubber bands on my teeth, so my elastics. So I got my canine here, and the 2 lower teeth. So hopefully this will be the beginning of a lot of change. I also heard the orthodontist said that this would take about a year to 15 months. Summer in August, get them off of my teeth. So I have a lot of work to do between now and then. That's cool, but it's a beautiful day in Boston. Definitely a step forward in the right direction. I'm gonna wear my elastics all the time, I promise you, so that I don't delay my treatment at all. I want to keep this going. So let's get back to Pennsylvania.